Looking for reliable backup or prime power? Check out this Cummins C100D2RE 100kW Tier 4 final diesel generator, now available from Power Generation Enterprises. This unit is powered by the dependable Cummins F3.8 diesel engine and paired with a Cummins Stamford Alternator, delivering clean, reliable power for commercial, industrial, construction, and emergency backup applications. The generator is rated at 100 kilowatts standby and 91 kilowatts prime, operating at 480/277 volt, 3-phase, 60 Hz, making it a great solution for a wide variety of electrical systems. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its Tier 4 final emissions compliance, making it suitable for areas with strict environmental regulations while still providing excellent fuel efficiency and dependable performance. This unit comes housed in a factory sound-attenuated weather-protective enclosure, helping reduce operating noise while protecting the generator from the elements. It's designed for long-term outdoor installation and easy service access. Additional features include a Cummins PowerCommand digital control panel for simple operation and monitoring, an integrated base fuel tank for extended runtime, emergency stop, battery charger, block heater, and a factory-installed exhaust after-treatment system. Need a mobile power solution? We can also install this generator on a trailer for an additional cost, giving you the flexibility to move reliable power wherever your job requires. We currently have 2 units available, but inventory moves quickly. For pricing, availability, or a shipping quote anywhere in the United States, contact Power Generation Enterprises today. Visit us at powergenenterprises.com or call 818-484-8550.